Hey guys and gals, welcome to K6 Outdoors. My name's Kyle, and today I wanted to make a short video for you guys on, try to help you save some money. If you guys are like me and like to use that liquid, grass trimmer around your house, spraying for weeds in your flower garden, around your house, gravel, whatever, you've probably heard of or used Roundup. Well, Roundup is, the OG of grass and weed killer. And if you read down here in the instructions, it says active ingredients, glyphosate, 18%, diquatrobromide, sure, 0.73%, and other ingredients, 81.27, total 100% ingredients, Thankfully, we can do math. Obviously, we know this all works. It comes at a premium price. It's not cheap. The fast-acting, technology that's in this gives you fast results. And this, visible within 12 hours, it says, and it's rainproof in 30 minutes. If you're already using concentrate, give yourself a pat on the back of saving you a bunch of money. And, because it's 2 ounces of this to 1 gallon in that jug. So you're spending a lot of money for pre-mixed materials. But anyways, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you that, hey, Roundup exists, and so does this stuff. Now, it comes by many names. This jug I've had for a little while, but this is the Compare and Save grass and weed killer. Roundup, Compare and Save. Remember I told you this is, I think, 18? This is 18% glyphosate, which is the main killer and weed killer. This is 41% glyphosate. The other little percentage that's in this is what gives you the fast and visible results. So what I'm here to tell you is you can save yourself a lot of money to buy yourself a gallon of this concentrate. And yeah, maybe you may not see results in 1 or 2 days, 3 days later. But you get farther down there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, that grass, those weeds will be deader than dead can be dead. I couldn't kill them any more deader, is what I'm trying to say. Now, if you need super fast-acting results, Roundup's got the extra little chemicals in there that gets down to the roots, wilts it, and gets it moving in a day. You can use it for other things as like shrubs and, ground clear. You just got to mix it stronger. Another reason why this saves you money is, well, if you read Roundup's instructions here, it says to use 6 fluid ounces per gallon of water. The super concentrate stuff, the 41% glyphosate, only requires 1.5 ounces per gallon. So 6 ounces per gallon, 1.5 ounces per gallon. A lot goes a long ways with this stuff. And obviously also it says on here, if you want to get rid of tough weeds and perennials that keep coming up, use 2.5 ounces per gallon. And, that gallon will cover 300 square feet. So again, I've had this for a little while. You'll drain this bottle pretty quick. 36 fluid ounces, you get basically 6 gallons of Roundup out of this. This is, like I said, 1.5 ounces per gallon, and it's 128 fluid ounces. So you get the idea. You can do math there. Why this is beneficial. This isn't a complex or super long video. I just want to let you guys know that, hey, you can save yourself a lot of money by going generic. It's like buying generic ibuprofen or Motrin, whatever you want to call it, or acetaminophen, Tylenol. Now, even in this situation, the generic's actually a little bit better. Yeah, maybe it doesn't have the extra little fancy things that makes it waterproof within 30 minutes and doesn't wilt your plants in a couple hours. But I do know for a fact that this 41% glyphosate just kills the grass and weeds, because I've used it many times and it does a great job and they don't grow back. So anyways, long story short here, this little guy, if you can afford to get away with not having the, waterproofness, rainproof part, if you can get away with 2 hours versus 30 minutes, or if, you don't care that it's brown the next day and you got a few days to wait and you don't care. Otherwise, it's the same. You can put it around plants that you don't want to kill to shield them so you don't spray them. It doesn't penetrate the ground. It only kills the weeds that you spray. So otherwise, they're very similar products. It does a great job. And to be honest with you, I bought this Roundup because they were out of this at the time. And, well, I'm using this now because I have it. Otherwise, it's going to go away. So now it's probably a good time to talk about the giveaway we're going to do on the channel today. Today's giveaway is going to be from Super Clean. You guys have probably seen it on the channel before here. And I want to, you know, give some stuff to you guys. You know, the people at Super Clean reached out. They wanted to do another giveaway, so we're going to do it. Pretty basic rules. You guys just need to be subscribed to the channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up on the video here, and be in the lower 48 states. To get entered, you'll have to put a comment down below saying Super Clean. You will be entered to win an aerosol bottle of Super Clean, as well as, you know, the original Tough Task degreaser in liquid form. Stuff works great. If you guys are interested, leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up on the video. If you're the lucky winner, I'll get a hold of you. I'll put you, you know, I'll either find your name down below and send you a message, or I'll, you know, comment that you won, and I will ask you to private message me your address so Super Clean can direct ship this to you guys. It can get dated. I'm going to go ahead and, you know, make sense here. The opportunity to win this giveaway is between now and August 18th of 2023. So get your submission in by then. Super Clean down below in the comments, and then I'll get a hold of you if you win, and we'll go from there. Let's get back to what we're doing. Let's go ahead and mix up a couple gallons of this stuff. This is a 2-gallon container. If you guys don't already use concentrated spray, highly recommend it. It's super easy to mix. You just need to be careful when you're doing this. Chemicals, obviously, pay attention to the instructions on this. At the very, very least, you know, wear gloves when you're doing this. If you're going to be getting close to spraying yourself, wear pants, long sleeves, you know, eye protection. You don't want to get this stuff on you. It is a chemical. There are lawsuits out there regarding glyphosate, but I don't even want to know the millions of gallons that is sprayed in this stuff in Iowa every year. So let's go ahead and mix her up here. One thing Roundup does nice, I guess, is they at least give you a nice funnel to put your product in there. Otherwise, you got to find a mixing container yourself to measure this out. But this stuff does a really good job. Again, be careful doing this stuff. You don't want to get this stuff on your hands, and if you do, rinse it very well and quickly because it's, you know, not safe. Let's go do some spraying. We need to fill this up with some water and give her a couple of shakes, and we'll be on our merry way. Check out the links down below. I'll put this compare and save or something very similar to this generic, and also these little Roundup, you know, these little Chapin containers. Super nice to have, and I would highly recommend them. My weeds are taking over. No more. Bye-bye weeds. Super simple, easy to use. Get her tightened down and start spraying. Trimming everything out here. Trimming the grass, trimming the grass. Trimming the grass. And just as a quick follow-up, if you guys don't believe me, everything's turning yellow and brown. This is 3 days later. It's killing it all. It's doing a great job, and before you know it, they're all going to be, you know, completely brown and disappeared. If you guys learned anything from today's video, check out the generic brand of glyphosate, the weed and grass killer. You'll be happy you did. Save you a bunch of money, and, you know, it might be a little bit delayed on the results, but it's going to do a good job for you. Make sure you guys get entered into the Super Clean giveaway, you know, if it's still in the time frame of the video here. And look forward to giving away some Super Clean products. It's great stuff. I really do enjoy using it. It does a great job. That's all I can say about it because, you know, I'll let the product speak for itself. Thanks again for stopping in. Give me a thumbs up if you guys liked the video. If you did, and a thumbs down is fine, but give me some feedback on how I can make this stuff better for you all. Because again, without you all, this channel doesn't exist, and, you know, I really enjoy sharing this stuff with you guys and learning along the way. If you're not a part of the YouTube family, hit that subscribe button. I would encourage that, and, you know, stick around and see if you guys win some Super Clean in the future. Thanks for stopping in today, guys. My name's Kyle. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care of one another. We'll see ya.